Dry sand production line refers to the sand-making form without adding water in the sand-making production process, and can also be carried out in places where water resources are scarce, without being restricted by water sources and environment. Dry sand making is the process of crushing stones into mechanism sand under 4.75 millimeters. It will inevitably generate more dust during the production process. In addition, dust is easily generated at the vibrating screen and conveyor belt of the supporting equipment of the production line. If it is not treated, it will cause serious environmental pollution. So, how do we control dust emissions during the dry sand making process? 1. Closed production. Many newly built sand production lines adopt closed production schemes, that is, production in factories or sheds to control dust emission. At present, the new tower-type sand-making system in the sand-making field adopts a completely closed production mode, which does not require an external factory building, and can also achieve the purpose of controlling the dust emission. Through production statistics, the dust emission concentration of the tower-type sand-making system can be controlled at 20 mpm3, which is lower than the National Environmental Protection Regulations. 2. Atomization and humidification. In the production process, the material easily lifts the impact dust in the part with a large drop. When the water content is allowed, the dust formed by the impact of the material can be reduced by the method of material humidification and high-altitude atomization. 3. Configure dust collector. It is also necessary to install a dust collector in the production line. Many production lines are equipped with multiple dust collectors to collect excess dust, control the dust emission concentration, and keep the workshop clean. 4. Wastewater treatment. Dry sand production line does not require water during the production process, but generally the finished mechanism sand will be washed into the sand washing machine to further improve the quality of the mechanism sand, making it comparable to river sand. The sand washing process will produce wastewater. The amount of wastewater is not large, and the content of suspended matter is low. The natural sedimentation treatment process in the sedimentation tank can be used to add medicine to the production wastewater. The upper part of the clarified water is recycled to save water. For a sand production line, starting from two aspects of dust and wastewater, it basically controls the environmental protection of the entire production line.